This video was captured on the 31st of August, 2022, a warm summer evening at exactly 8:37 p.m. It wasn't particularly late, and everything seemed perfectly normal. At the time, the homeowners, Lisa and Paul, were on vacation abroad. While relaxing, they received a notification from their Ring doorbell app. Someone is at your front door. At first, they didn't think much of it, probably just a neighbor or a delivery driver. But when they tapped on the video feed, what they saw left them speechless. A young girl was standing at their door, someone they had never seen before. Her behavior was unsettling in a way that's hard to describe. She never explained why she was there, and her actions made no sense. Lisa and Paul later said they had absolutely no idea who she was or what she wanted. To this day, no new information has surfaced. No one came forward. No answers were ever found. Yet the footage remains online, a chilling reminder that unsettling things can happen right outside your home, even when you're thousands of miles away. Luckily, Lisa and Paul had the chance to see it and prepare. But ask yourself, would you even want to know if something like this happened at your door? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This video was recorded by Kate, a 24-year-old woman who had just started living on her own. At first, everything seemed perfect, but soon, unsettling things began to happen. Objects she'd carefully placed would end up somewhere else. Cabinets she'd closed were mysteriously open. The lights flickered for no clear reason. Deep down, Kate knew something wasn't right, but she kept it to herself. That changed on the night of the 3rd of August, 2023. Home alone, Kate suddenly heard her mother's voice calling her name in the hallway, followed by frantic banging on the front door. She froze. Why wasn't her mom using the spare key? And why did she sound so panicked? Trusting her instincts, Kate grabbed her phone and began to record.
Gabe? Gabe, it's your mom. You should come out. You've been there for so long. Gabe, come out. Gabe? Gabe, it's your mother. You should come out.
Then what's your name then?
She slowly approached the door and opened it, only to find no one there. Overcome with terror, Kate fled the apartment. The video ends shortly after. Later, she uploaded the footage to TikTok, finally sharing the strange events she'd been experiencing. Many viewers believe the voice she heard wasn't her mother at all, but something far more sinister, possibly a skinwalker or a mimic trying to lure her outside. Since that post, Kate has gone completely silent, no updates, no explanations. So, what do you think? Was this just an elaborate hoax for views, or did Kate capture something truly otherworldly? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. This chilling Ring camera footage was captured around 1:00 a.m., long after the homeowners had fallen asleep. The next morning, they awoke to a surprising notification from the Ring app. Motion detected at your door. Puzzled, they opened the alert, and what they saw left them frozen.
There's just someone fixing or hair color. I deploys into the field that, and I can be lighted after you. There's just someone fixing or hair color. I deploys into the field that, and I can be lighted after you.
On screen stood a woman, but something about her seemed disturbingly unnatural. Heavy, dark circles hung beneath her eyes as she shuffled back and forth, muttering in an unintelligible language. Shocked and unnerved, the couple uploaded the footage to TikTok to share their terrifying discovery. Though the woman has never returned, the experience still haunts them. And honestly, who could blame them? After all, they're not the only ones lying awake at night, wondering if she, or something even worse, might come back. It was a quiet Friday night when Anton heard his doorbell ring. At first, he thought nothing of it, until it rang again, and again. Rapid. Urgent. Something felt wrong. Feeling uneasy, Anton grabbed his phone and started recording, unaware that what he was about to capture would unsettle thousands across the internet. Let's take a look.
Hello?
Hello, I'm sorry to bother you, but there is a creepy guy who's been following me for the last 10 minutes.
Yeah?
Can I stay at your place until he's gone?
Yeah, come in.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
I just hope he didn't see me coming here.
Don't move. Hide yourself. Yeah?
Hello.
What is it?
I was out for a walk with my wife and
Yeah?
we had a little argument and I lost sight of her.
Yeah, and?
Have you seen a young woman by any chance?
No, I'm sorry.
25 years.
No.
Blue eyes.
No. No, sorry, bye.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Bye. Hey. It's okay, he's gone.
Outside, a woman stood frozen in fear. Just behind her, a man lurked, stalking her every move. Thankfully, Anton was home. His presence and quick thinking may have spared the woman from something far worse. It's a chilling reminder of how real these dangers can be. Women followed late at night, predators searching for easy prey. But this time, the ending was different. Because of Anton, the woman walked away unharmed. So what do you think? Was this an authentic moment caught on camera, or an elaborate hoax staged for views? You decide. This terrifying video was captured by the home security camera of a woman named Sarah. Earlier that morning, Sarah had walked her young son, Lucas, to school, a quick 5-minute routine they did every day. The neighborhood was quiet and seemingly safe, with 2 nearby schools, one for younger children and another for older students. Nothing out of the ordinary ever happened there. But everything changed on the 26th of February, 2025. After dropping Lucas off, Sarah returned home and locked the door behind her. About 15 minutes later, her phone buzzed with a notification. Motion detected at your front door. Curious, she opened the app to check the feed, and what she saw left her frozen in fear. A man was standing at her door, staring straight into the camera before trying to peer inside, as if he knew someone was there. His behavior was deeply unsettling, but what made it even stranger was his disguise. He was dressed as a woman in a school uniform. Even more confusing, neither of the local schools required uniforms. Had he followed her home from the school? The police later arrived and took the footage for investigation. But to this day, Sarah still has no idea who he was or what he wanted. And perhaps we may never find out.